In this video, we present an approach for interactive composition of subjects and balloons in manga. In manga, composition of picture subjects and text balloons are important for storytelling. To provide readers with a continuous and smooth reading experience, manga artists typically arrange subjects and balloons to guide the viewer attention through the page. We call this guiding path through the page as artist's guiding path. In this work, the goal is to create a composition that can also effectively guide the reader through all the artworks in the correct order. Note that reading order of manga is from right to left. Given a storyboard made up of picture subjects and their text scripts, as well as user-specified semantics, we automatically generate a composition of subjects and balloons on a page, as well as the panel layout. Our core contribution is a probabilistic graphical model, which connects artist's guiding path, composition and viewer attention in a single probabilistic network. The model is trained on a set of manga pages, which are annotated and has eye-tracking data from multiple viewers. The trained model is used for subject and balloon composition. Given input elements and an automatically generated layout, a composition synthesis is generated by performing probabilistic inference using the model. This gives a composition that respects users' inputs, while reproducing some desirable properties of professionally drawn compositions in our training set. To create a composition, the user begins by selecting the number of panels. For each panel, the user first specifies the shot type and action level, and then selects the subjects and inputs their scripts. The user can also specify how two subjects in one panel interact with each other. Then, our tool will automatically generate a layout with unorganized input subjects and balloons. Finally, our tool automatically arranges the subjects and balloons on the layout. If desired, the user can also insert a background image into a selected panel. We evaluate our approach by comparing it with a heuristic method for balloon placement. Here we show results by our approach and the heuristic method. Since the heuristic method only does balloon placement, we use the subject locations produced by our approach as input into the heuristic method. The heuristic method may mislead the reader. For example, it places the balloons in the first and third panels close to each other. This may make the reader skip the second panel, and move directly to the third one. Our approach avoids this problem by using a more appropriate placement of balloons. In this example, the heuristic method often uses the same patterns when placing balloons. In contrast, our approach is able to achieve a higher level of diversity, which increases visual interest of the composition. This is another comparison. We next show the effectiveness of our approach in directing viewer attention. We record eye movements on results from our method and the heuristic method. The eye movements paths are plotted with different colors representing different viewers. Note that the consistency in eye movement is higher. This confirms that our result is more successful in directing viewer attention. Please refer to our paper for quantitative analysis of eye movement consistency. We also compare our results to compositions by professional manga artists. The left image shows a professionally drawn manga page with subjects and balloons outlined in cyan and magenta, respectively. We use the number of subjects and balloons, and the semantics of each panel as the input to our approach, and reproduce a composition. The right image shows our composition overlaid on the same manga page. Note that our result is quite similar to the existing one. This demonstrates that our method can effectively model the relationship between subjects, balloons, and panel semantics like shot type and motion state. We show another comparison. We show more results by our approach. This is the end of our video. Thanks for your watching.